Today, I'm going to be talking about the Buddy step-through e-bike. And this is a sharp looking bike. I'm telling you, this matte black and this sleek design. And so I am going to bring you closer and show you exactly what it's got. This is how you're going to turn it on. And as you can see, I have both keys still, but you're going to keep one and turn it on and put the other one in a safe spot. This is the LED screen, and this is how you're going to turn it on. And right here is where you're going to put on the pedal assist. There are 5 levels, and I'm not sure because when I look at this normally it's not doing that, but in the camera that's what it looks like. And then if you want to go down on the pedal assist, you just do that. Right here is where you're going to turn the headlight on. Look at the great grip that this has. I love that it has this stuff. It really feels secure when you're holding it. And this is going to be the front brake right there. And right here is the throttle. And once you push that down, it can take the bike up to 28 miles per hour. So this bike flies. On this side is another great grip handle. This is going to be your rear brake. And right here, these are going to be your gears. Right here is your front wheel suspension. And you can see how great the size of these tires are. They're 20 by 4. And you can see the sand on them. I'm in Florida, and I have been riding through the sand with this already. And for me, I really like when an e-bike has disc brakes. It's got a really cool and comfortable saddle. And right here, it's really easy to adjust up or down to your height. It's got a sturdy kickstand, and this is where the motor is housed. It's got a back reflector, and it also has a bike rack. I really like the decals on it, and the matte black just makes it look really slick. And this Buddy step through is also foldable. All you have to do to fold it is pull this and push that out. And you can also fold the handlebars. All you have to do is push this up and it pulls out, and then they just fold. Also, this bike is only 63 pounds, which is actually pretty light for an e-bike. This is the TST Buddy 20-inch folding e-bike. It's equipped with a high-power motor capable of delivering an output power of 1,000 watt, 70 Nm of torque. The sensitive brake system with front and rear disc rotors can provide sufficient braking force at a short distance, whether in wet or dry conditions. The front suspension fork is made of high-quality alloy material with an 80mm travel featuring a flexible and adaptable hydraulic design. Thanks to the 8mm tire thread depth, extra protection is provided to prevent thorns, glass, and other materials from puncturing through. The professional Shimano 7-speed shifting system and pedal assist technology completely revolutionize your riding experience. An added boost mode among the 4 basic modes, the boost mode assists you effortlessly through snowy terrain, mountain paths, urban areas, and off-road trails. It has a lockable 48-volt, 10 amp-hour detachable lithium-ion battery. The TST Buddy goes up to 28 miles per hour and has a 65-mile range. It weighs 64 pounds, has a recommended height of 4'11" to 6'4", and a max load of 450 pounds. It is a beautiful day here in Florida, and it's a beautiful day for a ride. So you know what? That's what we're gonna do. And you know, e-bikes are great, but I just want to tell you too, take them very seriously because, you know, they can go 20 some miles an hour. So you want to make sure that you're safe. So always safety first. Come on, let's go for a ride. Isn't this a cool ride? And do you see the places that e-bike will take you, like the TST Buddy? That ride was one of the most beautiful rides, and that would be nothing I could experience in Charlene, which is my van. And as you can see, I'm at an RV park here. And you know, I was talking to, there's someone here, and he has epilepsy, and he's disabled. And he had never ridden an e-bike before. And he asked if he could ride it. And I said, yeah, sure. And he got on it. And he said for him that an e-bike for him means freedom, because he can't drive a car. And, you know, he wants to go to the store and get stuff and not have to rely on people. And so it really made me even look at e-bikes a whole other way, that it can mean freedom for people who can't drive. And like I said, you know, that drive was so beautiful, and you saw I went over all kinds of terrains and everything, and this thing can get through anything. So what I'm going to do is I am going to leave all the information that you need down in the description. I'll leave the link, and I'll leave the code that they gave me, and you too can have a TST Buddy folding e-bike, and you can have adventures on the road. Doesn't have to be big adventures like I like to do. I love to do adventures with e-bikes too, and just see the beauty of what's around me. And that's what I can do with this. So, all right, you know what to do. Go out, make an adventure, no matter how big or how small. You do not have to sell everything and move into a van like I have. You can just get an e-bike like the TST Buddy and go on your own adventure. And go call someone you love. And as Joy says, tell them that you love them. And don't you dare forget your magic. I will see you in the next one. Bye.